Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the beast mower. We're going to sharpen the blades and see if we can't get the drives more equal. Right now as it sits, when you have both handles all the way forward, it goes to the left, and when you have them all the way back, it goes to the right. So something's out of whack on that thing, so we'll have to fix that. So, stay tuned. I'll give you a little demonstration here. All right, we're going to line up with the line in the street. Now, both handles all the way forward. You see it goes to the left. Now we'll go backwards, and it goes to the right. You see that? So, we gotta adjust that. It's a little straighter. We're going to sharpen the blades, and we should be good to go on this one. That's a nice feature that Toro has. Automatic jack stand. I like it. It works pretty good. We got peekers in the window. I also have a grease zerk that doesn't work. It won't accept any grease, so I'll see if I have one in the bins. The blades don't look like they're in that bad a shape, but the way they cut the grass tells the whole tail. So we're going to sharpen them up and see if we can't make it cut the grass a whole lot better. I always like to check the balance of the blade before I sharpen them, just to see. I mean, I was getting a little bit of a vibration, but not much. Yeah, it looks like this side's a little heavy. Well, a little heavy on this side. This side's a little heavy. That's pretty good right there. Pretty good. We just do the same thing for all three, and we'll get back to you. All right, well, we got them all sharpened up. Let's put them back on. This one's the middle one. I guess we'll start where we left off. And lining up the blades so they're all facing the same way. At least trying to. Now I want to see if I can change out that grease fitting right there. This one right here wasn't taking grease. So we're going to pull it out and put another one in, if I have one. Yep, I got one. What the heck? Oh, it ain't even tight. Huh. Looks kind of beat up. That's probably why I wouldn't take grease. All right, let's go get the grease gun and see if it takes grease. I gotta drop the deck down. Yeah, it's taking grease now. Hit the bypass. But it's taking grease now. Oh yeah. Once again, the GoPro shut off because it was too hot. I mean, after all, it is like 92 degrees outside right now. It's pretty warm. And if you can't tell, I'm sweating pretty good. Got my weekend shirt all drenched. But anyways, I got the blades all on there. Got them all sharp. Replaced that grease zerk. It's taking grease now. I was going to adjust the handles, but I'm not exactly sure how that's done. I have to read the manual on that to see if there's any kind of special adjustment I can do to make it work right. If not, I got a friend that works in power equipment shop, and said he was going to stop by Tuesday for a different thing. The rocker arms were pretty loud on this thing. They're clacking pretty loud. I fixed them the other night. Got a little ambitious at nighttime and did it in the dark, and it worked out good. I didn't film it because it's hard to film anything in the dark. So that's that. But we're gonna go cut some grass and see how it does. So with that, again, if you like the content, click thumbs up. If you're so inclined, click the subscribe button and come back. Yeah, come back and watch all the other videos. We'll see you next time.